Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. Today we are going to discuss about the BI Composer. So we are going to discuss about these topic. First we are going to build the one provision report, then we are going to do how we can perform the formatting in that report, and then we are also going to discuss about the prompt. So let's just move to the application directly and see how we can create the report and perform these functions. Okay, so I have logged in the application. Then we have to go to the catalog option. So we are going to create a report where the provisionary expiry report, where we can see who is going to be, whose provision is going to be, and the last 30 days. Okay, so we are going to create the report in the share folder, and under share folder we have custom folder. Here we have our folder. So here we are going to create our report, but first we have to go to the analysis option. Okay, it's take a little bit time to load the subject area. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, so we have to find the workforce. Okay, so we have to find our subject area, which is a workforce management, worker assignment, real time. So let's find. Workforce management, worker assignment, real time. Here it is. Let's select it. Okay, so first we have to find the person number, the employee name. So we have to go to the worker folder. And here we can find the information about the worker. like the name, person number, person ID. These things we can find in the worker folder. So let's select the display name here, and also if you want you can select the person number. Here it is. Okay, then scroll up and then you have to go to the manager subfolder. After that you have to find the manager name, so you have to go to the name option. Selected this, remove this one. Okay, and we have to also okay, let's go to the business unit folder. So we have to find the business unit name, then we have to go to the department folder and we have to find the department name here. Here it is. Now we have to go to the next folder, the job folder. Collapse first the department folder, then go to the job folder, and here we have to find the job name. So just scroll down. Here you have the job name. Okay, so now we have to find some other information also. Again, let's go to here in the worker folder. And let's take some select the hire date of the employee. And also we have to take the provision end date, provision period, and then provision unit. Okay, so let's try to arrange this. First let's take the business unit. Here, and then let's take the department. Here, and after that we have to take the job just after the department. Okay, then under that we have the name of the manager. Okay, now let's take the employee name here just after the manager name, and then we have to take the person number of the employee, then the hire date, provision end date, provision unit. Okay, let's go to the result. Okay, so this is our report. Let's first save this report, then apply the filter and formatting and the formulas. Here we are going to save in this folder. So employee provision, expiry report. Okay, so let's save this report. Okay, now apply, because we can see some blank data here. So we can apply the filter on the name also, the department, the job name, and the hire date also, and also the provision end date. Okay, so we can apply like the value is not null. Same for the job. Now we can run our report. Okay, so you can see the department and job name are not null here. Okay, so again let's first save this, whatever changes we made, and then again go to the criteria option, and then go to the okay, here we have to do is not null. By mistake I selected here, there is null. Okay, and then here okay, let's remove this filter and again go to here, provision end date, and then apply, and then click on the convert this filter to the SQL. Okay, so here we have to write the query. Like worker dot provision end date is then equal to the current date minus 30. Let's see if it's the last 30 days. Okay, so there is only one employee whose provision is already ended the last 30 days. Okay, so you can just increase the number here. Let's say you can say 90 days, so we are able to see the other data if there are any employee for the last 30 days. Okay, there is only one employee for last 30 days also. you can see the previous also, so you can just the last 365 days. Okay, so you can see these employees provision ended. Okay, so this is how we can find the employee provision expiry report, and we can also apply the filter for different requirement. Okay, so now let's just create another report to perform the formatting. So again, let's go to the catalog option, and here just click on the analysis option. Okay, so let's create the compensation report. For that we have to find the compensation workforce. Compensation workforce assignment salary real time. Select this one. Okay, so let's go to the worker folder here, and then select the display name option, and also find the assignment name from the same folder. Okay, now let's move to the another folder, worker payroll folder. Here if you want, you can select information about the worker payroll, like payroll frequency, payroll start date, and the payroll end date here. But I'm going to take to the another folder information. It's like business unit. And the next folder is a department. And at last, let's first collab this department folder, and then go to the workforce assignment and salary information. Then let's go to the salary information, and then we have to go to the salary facts option, because we want the employee's current salary information, so we have to go to the salary fact. Okay, here you can select the current salary option. Okay, so let's run this report. Okay, let's apply the filters. So first we have to save the report. So we have to go to the share folder, and there is share folder, and we have the custom, and in the custom folder we have our folder. So it's a employee compensation report, or we can say employee current salary report. Let's save it and then go to the criteria. Here you can apply the current salary option, the filter. The value is not null, so we cannot able to see the blank values there. You can also apply the filter in the current salary as value is greater than or equal to the 10,000. So you can see here the value are greater than the 10,000. Okay, let's again go to the criteria to perform the formatting. So here we have to go to the business unit option, and then we have to go to the column properties, and here you can see the conditional format, data format, and the column format option. So let's go to the conditional format, and here you have to add the conditions. So let's select the current salary, and so it's more clear when we remove this filter. Okay. So let's take the operator as less than or equal to the 10,000. Okay, we have to take which is the less than is represented as a green color, and if you want to change the border style, then you can also change it. You can also change the border color. And if you want to add any additional formatting option like width, height, and the indent, so you can also do that. Let's just save these changes. Okay, so these business units worker salary is less than 10,000. So you can see here its background, business unit background color is red now. You can apply more formatting same way. Just again go to the business unit and then column properties, the condition, just add one more condition here. It is less than or equal to, and it's $10,000 to $50,000. Its color, background color is going to be yellow. And let's check the result. Okay, so you can see, so value between 10,000 to 50,000 is color, business unit color is yellow here. Let's apply one more formatting here, the business unit. So we applied two formatting here, the business unit less than or equals to or is between. Let's apply or add the one condition is greater than. Greater than 50,000. Background color is going to be the green. Okay, so you can see three different color. Less than 10,000 is for red color, business unit color is red, and for salary between 10,000 to 50,000 is for yellow color, and the salary is greater than 50,000 is the green color. So that's how we can apply the formatting also. If you want to apply in the department name or the salary, you can also do that. Okay, now let's go to the prompt option. Let's go to the result. Go to the view, down below you can see that to the left side, and select the table and then click on the edit option. Okay, so let's take the business unit. Okay, let's just click on the done and then go to the criteria, and let's remove this formatting. Now let's go to the result. Yeah, so you can see now background color is changed. Okay, so when you select your business unit from here, so you can see those business unit data only. Okay, this is the data for the US1 business unit only. So this is how you can prompt your report. If we just select another business unit, you can see only that business unit data. You can also apply the prompt for the different option like department also. I just click on the done and see this report, and here you can see only accounting US department information. If you change it, so you can see only business services US data. So you can see when we select the department name, so here you can see the business unit, and when we are applying prompted option for the business unit, you can see the department name there. Okay, so these are the three topics which we have to discuss in our today's session: the formatting, the prompt, and the provision report. So you can do the certain more things here. You can just for the formatting, you can apply the formatting also in the assignment name or the department name also. Just we applied for the business unit, and you can, if you remove the filter here, you can see all the data which are blank also. So you can perform that things also, and we can also change the font color. Just we apply the conditional formatting there. So you can apply the font color also. Let's try one more time. Salary is greater than or equals to the $70,000. So if you don't want to change the background color, you just want to change the font color, so you can just go here and select any font. Let's just choose the red color so that's more visible there. Now let's just go to see the result. Okay, we just forget to save the changes. Okay, so you can see business unit's name color is now changed, which salary is greater than 70,000. And this is one way, and you can change from the another way also. Okay, so there is a problem with the application. Let's continue tomorrow. So there are some other things, the column formatting, how we can format the column name and the column other column properties. So let's discuss in our upcoming session. So thank you so much for watching the today's session.